We guide you through how to use Zelle to send and receive money fast. So, the first thing you need to do is to make sure your bank supports Zelle because most major banks in the US already have it built directly into their mobile banking app, which means you don't need to download anything extra. Just open your bank app, log in securely, and look for send money with Zelle option, usually found in the payments or transfer section. If you're new, tap enroll, enter your email address or US mobile number, and link it to your checking account. This is where your money will be sent from and received. To send money, tap send, choose a recipient from your contacts or add a new one by entering their email or phone number. Type the amount you want to send, review the details carefully, and hit confirm. The payment is typically delivered within minutes if the recipient is already enrolled in Zelle. To receive money, you don't have to do anything once you're enrolled. The funds will go straight into your linked bank account, often with minutes as well. If someone sends you money and you're not yet enrolled, you'll get notified with instructions so you complete the enrollment soon as possible to avoid delays.